So it's Tuesday today and I'm just going to fuel up my car. I just came out to start up my car because it's cold. I need to warm up my car as I mentioned. So what I do is I'll just start my car. I'll turn on the heated seats, turn on the heated steering wheel, put the temperature to highest possible and turn on the blowers to its maximum level. And I let it warm up according to the temperature. Today it's about 9 to 10 degrees. So I'll let it warm up for about 10 minutes. If it's more than 15 or about 20 degrees, minus 20 degrees, I'll usually keep it up for about 20 to 30 minutes because that is needed to warm up the car. Well, so I have something to share. Let me just place this camera. Well, so until the car warms up, I have something I got today. The clip that I told you about, the GoPro mount. So basically this is the clip, if you can see that. This GoPro goes on here and then I can clip it up on my cap. I have the cap ready as well. So what I'll do is I'll just try to test it off. I also got a screw to fix up the GoPro on there. So let's try that. Well, if you're a GoPro user or any camera user, you'll know that they have a mount like at the bottom of the camera where you can fix up your different mounts, like head mount or a bike mount or a car mount, anything. I have one in my car and I usually use it like whenever you see my car view of my face, I have that mount in my car. I'll show it to you today. So yeah, this is fixed right now. If you can see that, that is it. So let's give it a try then. I have the GoPro running with me right now. I'll just start recording. Okay, that's on record. And that's my cap. And let me clip it up here. Okay, that's heavy. So I gotta tie up my cap. And that's your view. I do not mind my house. So that's the Christmas tree that we have there. But the thing is, it's heavy. So I think I won't be able to wear it for a long time on the cap. I'll try to mount it on my jacket or my sweater or my clothes if that is possible. But that is the look, and if you can see, that's the view. Okay, seems fine. Okay, but okay, let's go out, let's try this. If not, I'll surely try to place it on my clothes somewhere here, somewhere I can place it firmly. But I don't know how the view is like right now, but when I'm editing and you would be seeing it right now, it would be really nice. Okay, let's go ahead then. Well, so here we are. I hope that is a good view here. I can see it in the mirror, it's nice. I can say it is really heavy. I can wear it for like a couple of minutes, then I'll have to take it off. But I'll have to come up with something. But yeah, that's the snow. And I wanted to do this because this camera moves with my head wherever I see. So if I'm seeing a car coming off, you'll see it too. And you can see me driving like in real time. What I'm doing, you'll see it in real time. And don't mind my car, it's really dirty because you can see the snow outside, right? It has to get dirty. I wash it once a week. I'm also gonna make a video on washing the cars. How do we wash them? There are 2 types of washing, or maybe I think 3 types of different washings that we can go through. I have tried all of them actually, and I'll let you know in some next video or some other video. Surely I'm gonna make something. So currently we are going for fueling up. So just for example, this is Circle K. It's an Essos. Essos are about 1.3 to 1.5 dollars a liter, and the place I'm going to is called the Reserve. That is in Thunder Bay. It's called the Reserve, and they fuel up the cars tax free. Like all of the things that they get are tax free. Well, so the place I'm going to currently has the fuel rates of about 1.1 to 1.5 dollars a liter, and usually in the cities, let's say Toronto or any other cities, let's say Thunder Bay as well, they have the fuel prices up to 1.6, 1.7, 1.8 depending upon the rates of the fuel. But this place I'm going to is called Reserve. You can look it up. It's near Thunder Bay. They provide everything tax free, like all the products that are available at that shop, the gas station, they are all tax free, and even the fuel is tax free. So maybe I'll share some details about that place in some other video, but this is something that I love about Thunder Bay, that the fuel prices are really less. And that mountain that you can see there, that's Mount McKay. I went there on the top in 2022, 2022 I went up there. I went to a steep track up there. It's really very steep, and it's lengthy, but it was nice. And you can see that the snow is, well, you can see how much the snow is on the banks. Yesterday it snowed a lot. I was running late for my work, so I could not video much, but it was really, it snowed a lot. There was a whole big pie of snow on my car, which I took it off before going to work, and the roads were all filled up with ice, and it was nice and white. But today it's not much cold, not much snow. It's good. It's just the mild temperature that we get, and the mild for Thunder Bay is -10 and -12. Yeah, that's mild. Well, see, so that's an Essos there, but it's still in the Reserve, so they're providing full service for $1.23 dollars. So that's 123 cents per liter, of course. And other than that, I'm also appearing for my G license soon, next month. That is in February. I'm gonna pass that. I'm gonna lower down my insurance. Lots of things planned out this year. Let's see how it goes. So see how many gas stations are here. That's 1. We saw an Essos back there. That's 2. And the one that I'm going to is the 3rd one, and we also have a 4th one down there. So yeah, the fuel rates today is $1.5, $1.15 actually. See, I told you it's really cheap here. So that's what you can see. It's $1.15, and I come to K&A variety. Just see how many people are coming up to fuel up here. It's It's regularly this many amount of people. We always have to wait here, and once we can go down there, we can park the car. They'll just open up and ask if you want to fuel up, like the full tank. We can let them know, we'll go inside there and we'll pay for the fuel when our cars are full. Well, but usually there is this amount of people. Well, so we fueled up and here we are going back again. I got milk, I showed you in the video, and that was the place where we usually go for paying up. Each gas pump has numbers on them. Like, let's say I was on number 5 today. So in there, when the fuel up finishes, like when the gas is fueled up, they'll call out the number in there. Let's say they called me saying number 5. I just have to go there with my stuff that I got and I can pay there. That is all. And other than that, I'm just going home right now. I'll have some lunch. It's 12:17 right now, 12 p.m. I'll have my lunch. I have some things to do. I just joined an internship recently, so I'm working on that. Just gaining some experience before I can actually work on stuff, because it's been a while since I worked on my stuff, so I have to gain some experience. Let's go ahead, let's see how it goes. And I recently joined it. I'm still on my onboarding process. Once I finish that, I will be fine. Well, okay, so let's do this. I'll make a video again on washing the cars. Like, how do I wash my car? Because you see, my car was really dirty, right? It's because of the snow. It's really dirty outside. The mud, the snow, it gets on your car and it just sticks there. So we have to wash our cars like twice or once a week, definitely, to stay away from a lot of different things. I'll let you know in the next video. I'll come up with the car washing video next time. I'm going for the car wash, the touchless car wash that is at the gas stations, the one that you just put your car inside and it washes up. I'm going there Friday, so I'll make a video on Friday, and then I'll show you the second wash that I used to do with my old car. But that would be a fun video. Yeah. Let me just finish this driving up. So yeah, I'm on my way again. Okay, so I'll see you guys later. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.